Excuse the wire. This has not been charged in a minute. I woke up at 5:05, which was 5 minutes before my alarm, which is great. The reason I'm up this early is I'm working on a pretty hard reset in my life. Very much needed. I felt a little out of myself for not this whole year, but definitely the last several months. I felt a little unanchored. I haven't been doing the things that have made me happy. I haven't done my hobbies. I haven't kept consistency with my self-care. I have not been putting myself first. And I've been doing the thing where I put other people first before myself, which sounds great, sounds altruistic, sounds, very selfless. But the truth is, I've come to realize that I can't pour into other people at the level that they either need or that would really benefit them, such as, my relationship, family, friends, coworkers, clients, you name it, if I'm not putting that energy into myself first. It's very much like the saying, you can't pour from a glass that's empty. I would rather pour from a glass that is filled to the fucking brim, full, like about to spill, and then be able to give people all of that, be able to show up in my best light, be able to give them my full attention because I'm already there for myself. I already got the love there for myself. I already got the attention. I already got the time put into myself. Now I have time to put into others. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm feeling so much better. I feel like just, that the saying, the spark in the eye. I'm feeling that. I really am. I'm feeling less robotic. I'm feeling less drained. I'm feeling more energized, even on less sleep. So what I was talking about, what that looks like on my end, and how I think you could begin to start this journey as well, since, I'm on it and it's already benefiting me and I'd love to share it with you. First few things I think you could do is sit down with a friend or even yourself, have that friend or take your hand, get out a pencil from ancient days and have them ask you, what do you really want? What do you want in your life, either more of or that you don't have, that would make you feel better? It could be wants, it could be needs, it could be things that could be good for you that you don't necessarily want, all of them. Just brain vomit in no particular order. For me, this has looked like, I gotta look over here. It's been looking like wake up before the sun. Don't explain, don't complain. Hit the gym regularly and stay in shape. Dress well, get some new polos, get some new slacks. One of them is build out designated office, which you can see here. Some of them are a little bit more personal, like feel recognized for my success, feel accomplished and proud of myself, don't feel guilty for my downtime. Some of it is like, I want to see friends more. So just brain vomit. I've brain vomited. I don't know if you see how long this list is right here, like all of these little items. And then what I did after that is I organized it. You can organize it yourself. I actually asked ChatGPT to organize it for me based off of like the obvious categories. And it gave me the categories of personal growth and self-discipline, health, fitness, and appearance, career, finances, and ambition, and then relationships and social life. And so far, just looking at this has given me a much clearer understanding of the insecurities I have and the things that I want, and a clear roadmap to what is it that I'm feeling a lack of. And I highly recommend you give it a try, because I think that just might be the first step to getting where you want. I hope this helps someone. I hope this helps someone start their journey on the right foot. I know it already has for me. And filler words. I recommend following me on Instagram, document cool shit. If you want to come along, learn a thing or two, see a thing or two, follow my Instagram page. It's simply Gavin. It's pretty simple. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.